up, guys? I'm back with Vlogmas Day 8. It's Saturday. I just got out from the shop and I grabbed something to eat really quick because I've been on go this entire morning. So then when I get home, I'm currently doing 5 million things. I actually changed out of I didn't go to work like this. I'm just letting y'all know. I just came home and put on some bummy clothes because I'm about to chill out until a little bit later on. I'm trying to handle that. Doing a lot of organizing. Organizing myself, organizing my finances. But other than that, it's going to be a really chill Saturday. And I definitely have to go through my kit and make sure everything that needs to be in there is in there because I have a photo shoot that I'm doing tomorrow. So, yeah. Yeah, but right now I'm just waiting for this to all get on there and export it. This is all the clips from this past week of my life, at least. So I'm going to try to get that all edited. Yeah, hopefully I can get that done and it can export and I can have that up really late tonight. If not tonight, then like most likely tomorrow. So yeah.
The next day.
Good morning. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 9. So right now I'm actually on my way over to my friend Diamond's house. She wants me to do makeup for a shoot she's doing. So that's where I'm about to go. I'm real kind of jinky right now because I actually was rushing out of the house. So yeah, I'm on my way over there and I think it's like only 2 to 3 models. I think it's no more than that. I know it's no more than that, but yeah, so y'all about to see me in action. So yeah, see you soon.
You've been waiting so long, I'm here to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting at all. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know that my guys have been talking about the way I do what I do. Heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. I know you're the one I wanna give it to. Can see you want me too. Now it's me and me. I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move. Baby, tell me how you like it. I was waiting for you to tell me you were ready. You know what to do if only you would let me. As long as you're cool with it, treat you right. Here is where you wanna be. I know the other guys have been talking about the way I do what I do. Heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. I know you're the one I wanna give it to. Can see you want me too. And now it's me and me. Baby, I've been waiting. You gonna make that move. You wanna make it move. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. I've been waiting. You gonna make that move. Gonna make the move. Baby, tell me how you like it. Yeah, baby, I'll love you all the way down. Get you right where you like it. I promise you like it. I swear. Just relax and let me make the move. It's our secret, we'll keep it between me and you.
Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me, girl? It's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? I just wanna chill and twist the lie. Catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything.